So Nature in Linacre really is a community-led environmental appraisal for the ward area of Linacre in Bootle, trying to understand the relationship that people in Linacre have with nature, understand more about what nature we've got in Linacre in terms of both green and blue spaces, and also understand what people want to see in terms of environmental improvements.
I think it's very important for people's well-being. It makes the area that you live in a nicer place to live, and then it encourages more people to use our green spaces.
It's very important to have green spaces in Linacre because it's a densely residential area with some very old housing. Most of the housing does not have gardens. So going out into green space, it's therapeutic, it gets people out into fresh air, it allows them to socialise with other people in the parks.
It's an opportunity for people to come together, work together and build community. In one sense, the gardening is just a tool with the advantage of increasing the biodiversity, growing fresh organic food. The premise is that if you come and do some gardening, you get your hands on the harvest. People are taking home fresh produce.
This place is lovely because you're getting fresh air, so it's good for your health. It's a lovely group of people and you feel safe and comfortable. And I've learned so much.
We have a focus in Regenerus of always trying to create spaces where those conversations can happen, which then is strengthening relationships to be able to work together in a better way.
Their approach to research and working with people is really similar to our approach at GroundsWell, which is all about co-production, so really working with people. So rather than coming in and doing a project to people, it's all about collaborating and making sure that the community's voices are heard throughout the whole project.
There's a lot of people out there, they actually care about where they live and want to get involved. People connect.
From the surveys we've been able to gather the most things, what people seem to want. A lot of people are saying we do need more green spaces, how the green spaces make them feel, how it impacts their mental health.
It's the beginning of a journey almost, so we've spent the last year along this research journey and getting to this point where we've gathered all that data together. But this is now the beginning of us also starting conversations with that evidence base.
From designing it, getting community researchers involved, collecting data, understanding that data, it's really impactful to see that happening on the ground as well, and to see the same members of the community taking part in different projects and seeing people now taking part in the Nature in Linacre project is really great to see.
The kids are tending to use the park more often. There's more of a police presence, so people feel safer. It shows that our places are being used, our parks are being used, and they are being appreciated.